Well, here we are again. It's Garrett Mountain, Sunday, January 31st. 2 days after United Bowhunters of NJ conducted a so-called cull hunt in the park. Walking through here, this is what we found. This one's a dead doe. Fatal wound. I guess they didn't have a good blood trail, or just lack of knowledge in finding this deer. This deer's stiff. It is very cold though, so. But once again, it's from the bow hunt on Friday. Today is Sunday. And we have a dead doe, ran to the brook here. What a shame. Little puppy, maybe 50 pounds. Cull hunts are designed, they should be taking adult does. I don't know why they're shooting these little deer, they're like dogs.